Yes, student. Now I'm going to show you another program where if there is any blank space to be filled up. This I have discussed earlier also. Blank space to be filled up with what? With your particular NaN. Okay, that means non-applicable values will be there. That means this is the particular part where you will going to find NaN will come and fill. That means NaN value will going to come and fill up the space. So as the NaN value will going to come and fill up the space, those the NaN value you can see it that each and every part of this particular NaN value that is going to work with it is been instructed in a different form or different frame. Okay, so as it you can find it that where the part is not there, it will going to fill up with NaN. That means non-applicable, also non-applicable values are there that will going to fill with a NaN part. So how it will going to do it, you can see it that I have imported the values, and as I have imported the values, those the values what I have imported, they are being what structured or framed in a one dimensional format. And as it has been framed into an one dimensional format, you can find it that here I have converted it into a data frame. Okay, as soon as I have converted it into a data frame, but since it is having this replications that those the frames, those the structures will be going to fill with NaN. Okay, those the structures will going to fill with NaN. As the structure will going to fill with NaN, we will going to find it that each of this part, each of this section will going to have its own structure. That means what the structure I have given, NaN is replaced with what? After that, first it will going to fill with NaN, then the NaN will going to replace with some values. Okay, so let us see what the thing is. That means this is previously explained to you. NaN value will come. NaN means the missing value. That means see here, those the place. Suppose here I have a series. You see the series. From here it will be much more clearer. See the series. First is how many column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 column. Then what? 1 column. Then 2 columns. Then 1, 2, 3 column. That means those the places are vacant, those the places are vacant, those the places are vacant. So those the places what to fill with? First I said that fill with a NaN. Okay, so how to do it? Print df fill na. Okay, so this will going to fill with the particular thing with a NaN. After that what will happen? I said that NaN place will be first filled with a zero. So all the NaN place is now filled with a zero. Now what I said that that will going to fill with what? um 10 minus 10 and minus 5. See here, those the things I want to replace. Which column? 1 and 2 column I am replacing with a minus 10 and minus 5. They has been replaced, isn't it? And rest will be remain in the NaN positions. So this has been a minus I am using to replace the NaN with using the values. So those the values has been used, and that has been replaced with it. And as the values has been replaced, what I find it here that you will going to see here the particular form or particular format of this structure will going to have a specification of what? First here see minus 10, then the minus 5. Okay, minus 10 and minus 5 you will going to fill it those values, and as you are filling up those values with the minus 10 and minus 5, you will going to find it that each of these values space, that means three way I have changed the values. First I have filled it with an and those the values part automatically by default it will going to come as you are specifying it as the structure form of the data frame, because I have converted this A into a data frame. Okay. Now next the missing place I am filling with a 0. See here all the missing place has been filled with a 0, and after the missing place has been filled with a 0, the next what it is doing, the missing place I am supposed to fill with a minus 10 and minus 5. Which position also I have declared first column and second column. So first column and second column it has done for it. Okay, so those the work it has been implemented here, and as per the implemented you can see it that those the implementation has been in the part of those your what particular working structures, isn't it? So this is the working structures. Why in here what you see, the only one column is there, rest two columns are not there, so rest two columns is